Is it possible to taste heaven? I think I just taste heaven though. It's day 56 and I'm starting off with this. It hits the spot. I'm outside working and I remember I have a Julie mango. Shh, don't tell Stacia. Yeah, man, so they going great. After eating the mango, I still feel hungry. So I'm going to have grapefruit. Not a grapefruit lover, but it can eat. So I tend to be eating a lot of oranges and grapefruit, but anyhow, let me see if I can put Stacia to the test, because she says she can peel it without it break, right? Let me see. Voila! There it goes. Yo, this sweet, this sweet. Oh. Time to eat. That's awesome, man. You want it any better than this? It's day 58 and I'm going to start my day with a shot. So coconut water with an apple, turmeric, ginger and lime. Here. I needed that. You know, when you feel lousy in the morning and you want the kick there, your man, the ginger giving me that. I haven't had much to eat today, but I got these tamarinds and I said I am going to try them. So this is basically lunch. It's the end of day 58. Didn't get to video much today, but I can report that I only had coconut water for the rest of the day. So I did the juice in the morning, the tamarins, and then I had like 5 coconuts and water. So I didn't really feel for much. I'm feeling okay. Looking forward to day 59. It's day 59 and I'm feeling blessed. Starting off my day with some natural water. It really feels good. Eating the way how we were designed to eat. Eating the way how God make we to eat. You know, I not have to eat and feel like I want to sleep because my digestive system has struggle to process the food. I not have to go through none of that. I can I can eat guilt-free. That's a beautiful thing about it. I can eat guilt-free. You know, I can eat all the fruits I want. I'm not have to worry about, oh, I'm getting fat. I can literally eat a whole melon and be okay because by the time I walk and pee, I'm good. So, I have nothing to worry about. Anyways, I drink my coconut water, mind my own business. So, I am going to make a juice, which is coconut water, pineapple, ginger, and turmeric. Good morning. Guess what? It's day 60. Oh my god. 60. I just have 30 days to go. Ooh. And I'm starting with my coconut water. Well, let's see where the day takes us. My haul for day 60 is Otaiti apple, pineapples, American apple, papaya, orange, some mangoes, cantaloupe, melon, and of course my cane. I got this the other day. I did not. I saved it for a special time. Looky here. Is it possible to taste heaven? I think I just taste heaven though.